All right, so lesson 7 is what you are practicing tonight, naming the different relationships for these angles. So number 1 we did in class. These two angles, A and B, go together. They make a straight angle, which means they add up to 180 degrees. That means that these two angles are supplementary. Because they are also next to each other, they could be classified as adjacent. Number 2, we've got B here that is directly across from A, created from two intersecting lines that cross. That makes these two vertical angles. And that's the only name that we can give those two. If we take a look at number 3, you can see that A and B make a 90-degree angle. So A plus B equals 90 degrees. The name for the angle pair that adds up to 90 degrees, remember this is right. It's right to do what? Is it right to be complementary? Yeah, it's right to give complements. This is a complementary angle. A and B are right next to each other. These are also adjacent angles. For number 4, angle A and B here don't make a square corner. There's no 90-degree angle, so this does not equal 90. A and B together don't make a straight angle. These do not equal 180 degrees. A and B, when I trace them, don't make V's that are right across from each other. This is not a vertical angle. The only thing we've got here, these two are adjacent. They are right next to each other. That's all. You all were doing pretty good with this in class, so I don't expect this to be too hard. Let's look at the next part. All right. Now we're going to finish out through Oh, we've been taping through all that. How fun is that? Good thing I didn't say anything awful. Hey, I guess that needed to be the secret. I didn't say anything awful. Woohoo, woohoo. I was actually a good girl. All right. On number 5, this 47-degree angle and B go together and make their complementary angles. They add up to 90 degrees. So 47 plus B ought to equal 90. And now you need to solve to figure out what B is going to equal. In order to get B by itself, we've got to get rid of the 47 by subtracting. In order to keep the equation balanced, we've got to subtract 47 on both sides. 47 minus 47 gives a value of 0. It disappears. Bring down the B. 90 minus 47, you have to borrow, and we end up with a 43-degree angle. You could check your work here by doing 47 plus 53, but plus 43. It does equal 90 degrees, so B is correct. Number 6, 49 and B are vertical angles. You have to remember what's true about vertical angles. Vertical angles are equal. So if 49 is vertical from B, then B's got to equal 49 degrees by definition. For number 7, B together with 45 make a straight angle. A straight angle is known as a supplementary angle. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. B plus 45 is going to add up to 180 degrees. In order to solve for B, you take 45 away on both sides. And got to borrow here in order to get that. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. So B has to equal 135 degrees. I hadn't planned on doing an exit ticket for this lesson, but after we finish it, if you think you'd like one, I can certainly do it. I don't know. It's only 3 points. Might not be worth it. All right, so you're going to remember that the secret is I'm a lucky girl because I don't think I said anything I shouldn't. And we'll see you in class tomorrow.